So today is March 25th, 2023. Here comes Georgia. It's windy, very windy outside, so I'm going to do my intro in here. We are at the Datil Campground, about a couple miles north of Datil, New Mexico, which is maybe an hour west of Socorro, so we're about 2 hours from Albuquerque. It's a really nice day, just a little bit windy. I think we're at almost 7,500 feet elevation, so it's a little chilly. I think it's in the 40s right now, but with the wind, it's cold. The reason I came here is because I wanted to check out this campground that I saw online. Looks really clean, really nice. I just went to the bathroom and it's really clean. I'll probably come up here and stay here at some point, but unfortunately, I'm in a tent, and so it's still way below freezing at night, so I'm not gonna do that yet. I'm gonna wait till it warms up a little bit. So yeah, so I wanted to check out the campground, and then also there's a trail behind me. It's called the Datil Nature Trail. It's like 2 or 3 miles. I don't think it's strenuous or anything. But yeah, I wanted to check out the campground and then go on this little nature trail. So yeah, let's check it out. I don't know if you can see, but this tree is on the trail. Okay. We can't go that way. Jordan, let's go this way. Come on. We gotta go this way. The tree fell. Okay, come here. Okay, so this is the campground, and we did the north loop here, and now we're going to do the south loop. And I don't know if you can read that, but it says backcountry campsite by permit only. So obviously we have to check that out. I didn't know that was there, but maybe it'll be a good place to go backpacking. So let's go find it. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, but the trail keeps going that way, but it also forks that way. So I want to show you my Garmin Mini here. Let's see, get in the sun here. My Garmin Mini here, I have the app, and I was able to go on, I'll have to look up the website that I got it on, but you can download trail maps and download it to the Garmin Mini app, and I can see the trail, so I know which way to go. Let me see if I can show you right here. Yeah, so if you can see it, the blue is the trail that I downloaded from the website, and the little triangle is me. And if I move, it points me in the right direction. So I know that the trail's not that way, because the trail I downloaded goes that way. So yeah, that's one thing I like about my Garmin and the app. Jordan, no! She's rolling around in poop. Which is good, because she had a bath yesterday. But anyways, that's one good thing I like about this, is that I can download trails and know where the heck I'm going. Especially in the backcountry like this, where it just, you have no idea. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going on the trail here and find that campsite. Well, I found the campsite. Literally just a fire pit. It doesn't even look used. There's just some like burnt sticks in there. Jordan, come here. Yeah, it's just kind of open. I guess bring a saw, because there's a dead tree right there and you can get some camp wood or firewood. Yeah, I think I would stay here. Nice and quiet. Oh, Georgia's pulling me towards the tree. She's exploring. Georgia, come here. Yeah, I think this would be a good place for backpacking.